So for this tutorial I'm using medium acrylic yarn and 7mm crochet hook. I'm using a light color yarn so you can see clearly what I do. However, you can choose whichever color you like. I'm gonna start with a slip knot. And I'm gonna chain 54. So this pattern calls for a multiple of 3 plus 1 at the end. Sorry, it's a multiple, multiple of 3 plus 1. So I'm gonna chain 54 for this shawl. "54" is complete. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna skip 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the 5th chain from the hook I'm gonna make a double crochet. I'm gonna make another double crochet in the next chain. So the first 3 chains are considered a double crochet, and I skipped 1 chain where I'm gonna work a back post double crochet. So for that I will yarn over, come back behind the stitch, which is this one, just behind the previous double crochet, and work a double crochet, a little loose one, to shape the first cross stitch, like so. It'll be clearer as we go further. So now we're gonna skip the next chain and we're gonna work 1 double crochet in the following 2 chains. Yarn over, come back to the skipped chain and work a back post double crochet. So a double crochet from the back stitch. This is the second cross stitch. We're gonna continue the same till the end of the row. I'm gonna skip 1, work 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, and come back to the skipped stitch and work a back post double crochet. Yarn over, come back to the skipped stitch and work a double crochet. So I'm gonna continue the same till the end of the row, and I'll come back to show you how to end this first row and how to proceed to the next row. So here I'm at the end of the row and I'm left with 3 perfect stitches. So again the same thing. I'm gonna skip this stitch, chain, and I'm gonna make 1 double crochet in the last 2 chains. And then come back and make the back post double crochet. The next rows will be way easier than the first one because it'll be stitches, not chains. So proceeding to the next row, a very simple one, just a single crochet. So I'm gonna chain 1 and turn slowly, and I'm gonna make 1 single crochet in every stitch. So the single crochet row is the base for the cross stitch row. So before every cross stitch row we need to make 1 single crochet row. So the cross stitch row will always be front facing, it's not double facing. And the last 2 stitches. Okay. So I'm gonna chain 3 and turn. So I'm gonna skip 1 stitch, which is the very first one on top of the chain 3, this one. See, this one? I'm gonna skip that one, and I'm gonna work 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Then the same thing, I will yarn over, come back to the skipped stitch and work a double crochet. Now it gets much easier on top of the stitches. And the same thing throughout. I'm going to skip the next stitch, work 1 double crochet in the following 2 stitches. And come back and work a double crochet in the skipped stitch. Oops, okay. And I'm gonna continue with a cross stitch. Skip the next stitch, 1 double crochet in the following 2 stitches. Come back and work the back post double crochet. So this is for this row. So I'm gonna alternate between a cross stitch row and a single crochet row, as simple as that. So after this cross stitch row, I will make 1 row of single crochet and then follow with the cross stitch row throughout the work. I'll finish the entire shawl and I'll come back to show you the final result, plus how many yarns required, measurement and everything you need to know. See you later. So this is the shawl completed, the cross stitch shawl, and this is how it looks like at the end. I have done total of 142 rows between single crochet and cross stitch, or if you want to consider 71 rows with a single crochet cross stitch combined. The measurement of the final shawl is 45 centimeters large and 170 centimeters long. You can make it longer or shorter, it's up to you. I have used 5 skeins of yarn of medium worsted number 4, and what else? Yeah, the skins are all 100 grams, 7mm crochet hook. That's all. You'll find all the details required in the written pattern linked in the description box, and any other information you need. So it is as simple as I showed you in the beginning. 2 rows repetitions throughout the work, and that's it. You can change the color up to you, or you can use only one color. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.